4 raised to power 10 minus 9 is equal to what? We quickly want to simplify this nice math problem without using calculator. Solution. 4 raised to power 10 can be written as 2 square all raised to power 10 minus 9. Then take note of this rule that if you have a raised to power n raised to power m, this is equal to a raised to power m raised to power of n equal to 2 raised to power 10 square minus 9 can be written as 3 square, and this is a perfect square. Also, if you have a square minus b square, this is equal to a plus b bracket a minus b. Then where a is equal to 2 raised to power 10 and b is equal to 3. 2 raised to power 10 plus 3 bracket 2 raised to power 10 minus 3. This is equal to 2 raised to power 10 is 1024 plus 3 multiplied by 1024 minus 3. And this is 1024 plus 3, 1027 multiplied by 1024 minus 3, 1021. And this is the same thing as 1000 plus 27 multiplied by 1000 plus 21. And let's multiply out. We have 1000 times 1000. This is equal to 1000 square plus 1000 bracket 27 plus 21 plus, here is 21 times 27, 21 multiplied by 27. Then this is equal to 1000 square. We have 1 million plus 1000 bracket 27 plus 21, that is 48, plus 21 times 27, that is 567, is equal to 1 million plus 48,000 plus 567. Let's add everything together. Here is 10000000. Then we have 48,000 and 567. Now let's sum everything. Here is 7, 6, 5, 8, 4, 0, 1. Therefore, 4 raised to power 10 minus 9 is equal to 1048,567. This is the final answer.